Sanibonani. Ninjani? Niyaphila? Sithembe niyaphila nonke lapha ekhaya, noma emsebenzini, noma kuphi lapho nikhona. Siyabonga kakhulu maniphila good people. Mfoka Mkhonzo nibingelelayo. This is just a short video. Ngiqale ngokubonga ama-new subscribers ngithi welcome to Mfoka Mkhonza TV and podcast. Naku-TikTok, kumfoka Mkhonza ngiyanamukela onke ama-followers. Ngiyanibonga kakhulu guys, ngithi welcome home, let's work together siye phambili. Ngiyacela ukuthi niqhubeke nama-comment. Niqhubeke nikhomenta, yiwona engiwajabulela ukudlula yonke into ama-comment, because it shows ukuthi umuntu uyilalele into engiyikhulumayo and then usiya-responda kuyo, siya-engage, siya phambili. So ngiyacela kakhulu nikhululeke kuma-comments, ni-comment as long nje ingekho inhlamba, nginga-appreciate lokho. Thank you so much. Ngibona kule ndaba le esanda kwenzeka yokumuva kuka-SG uFloyd Shivambu eParliament, emuva from isikhundla sokuba u-SG. Ayifuni ukuphela, iyadingidwa impela. Angeke sikhona ukuyiziba indaba le serious kakhulu, ngoba uma ungathatha ukubheka ku-social media ikakhulukazi naku-mainstream media kuyakhulunywa ngayo. Ama-interviews, ama-political analyst ayahlaziya, enza yonke into. So indaba serious kakhulu, kodwa-ke angeke ngigxile kakhulu kubahlaziyi noma ama-political analyst, ngoba yilo nalo hlaziya ngendlela yakhe. Khona bathi ukuhamba kuka-Commander Floyd ePhalamende i-demotion, basho njalo. Bathi kulehlisile izinga lakhe. Uyabona nje ukuthi baze basho bathi hayi isikhundla sakhe sokuba yi-CEO, bathi abe-CEO ye-MK sokwehlisiwe ngokuya ePhalamende, bathi uyoba i-backbencher, uyohlala nje le ngemuva, angabi nasikhundla and all that. Bafowethu, ngifuna ukusho lokhu. Ngicela sihloniphe yonke into elokhu ishiwo uCommander Floyd ayisho efika ku-MK, and belokhu eyi-maintain-a even esenikwa ama-positions. Engu-national organizer washo wathi ujoyine i-MK party ngokuzithandela, akayijoyinelanga ukuzohola noma ukuzofuna ama-positions. Waze wathi angahamba efaka even amabhodi la emapalini, akanankinga, uzoyisebenzela i-MK party, because into esemqoka kuye i-content eku-MK party, it's not ama-positions. Washo, and uqhubekile wakusho even kuma-interviews abenziswa wona, even the last interview he had with iNewsroom Africa, ukugcizelele lo. So leyo ukuthi uFloyd demotion, bathi embarrassed, ashamed and everything, I don't know ukuthi ivelaphi mina, ngoba kwi-MK party masingakhuluma iqiniso njengamanje, MK party asinama-positions. Kuyavolontiyiwa ku-MK party, kuyavolontiyiwa nje, mina ngendlela engi-understand-a ngayo nengazi ngayo. So leyo ukuthi uFloyd so embarrassiwe into nje engekho, engeke futhi ibe khona. Nathi-ke ama-supporters akhe, nami ngomunye nje oyi-supporter ka-Commander Floyd, ngicela nje ukusho lokhu ukuthi mina I don't feel like uFloyd has been embarrassed, or I don't think he's feeling ashamed ngokuthi umuve from isikhundla sokuba u-SG. Into engayisho yilena nje, Commander Floyd Shivambu is growing in his career kwipolitiki. This is part of his growth kwipolitiki. Yiloko nje ngifisa ukusho, akukho okuningi. Bancane futhi abazoyi-understand-a lento eyenzakalayo empilweni yakhe nakwi-career yakhe kwipolitiki. So people just jump to conclusion because what matters to them is positions. No, it's not about positions all the time, guys. Some of us were not desperate for positions. Mangithi some of us, I'm including uCommander uFloyd because ukusho kaningi ukuthi akanandaba nesikhundla. uFloyd is just a confident guy who knows ukuthi uyiphethe content yonke. Iskola lesiya. Une-wealth of experience kupolitiki and all that. So uyazi uyabona i-identity yakhe uyi-understanda kahle ukuthi uphetheni. So mina ngokwazi kwami umuntu ongaba ashamed nongaba embarrassed umuntu ongenayo lento uFloyd anayo, le content anayo. Commander Floyd can fit anywhere kwipolitiki eSouth Africa, anywhere. So lento lena nje mangabe abantu becabanga ukuthi imshayile mhlambe ba expect ukuthi uzofila less of a man and all that, ba wrong and bagejile kakhulu. I-MK isazomsebenza as long as member ye-MK party 100% guaranteed MK isazomsebenzisa kakhulu futhi kuma positions abaluleke kakhulu kwi-MK party in the near future. Yingakho mawungabheka kahle i-difference ebekhona uma kusingathwa udaba lakhe kwi-national by ama-national officials, makusingathwa udaba lwakhe kufinyelelwe esiphethweni sokuthi aka-redeploywe. You can't just redeploy anyone. You can't just redeploy anyone. Or redeploya umuntu oyi-asset kwi-organization. Bayibukele CV yakhe bayayazi and all that. Bayazi ukuthi even though eyenzile i-mistake walokhu njani waphula umthetho we-constitution ye-MK party and all that, but it doesn't change the fact that this guy is needed kwi-MK party. This guy is an asset kwi-MK party. Yayizwa leyo nto. So ingakho ngithi la kule video asiyeke kulobo sicabanga ukuthi Floyd is embarrassed, Floyd is ashamed, lehlele izinga lakhe. Ayikho leyo nto, ayisoze ibe khona. uFloyd une-content angafitha anywhere. Ayikho into umuntu lana ongafila ngale ndlela enichaza ngayo umuntu ongenayo lento uFloyd anayo. Lento eyenza umsholozi ukuthi azamkhombe kwabaningi ngathi ngikhetha wena athi uzoba u-SG. Wayengeke umsholozi amana akhethe nombani. Wakhetha uCommander Floyd ngoba kunalento anayo okuthi baningi abangenayo. Eningi futhi kulabo abangenayo lento anayo Floyd ibona laba bathi ufila ashamed, ufila embarrassed. Doesn't work like that. Commander Floyd is not embarrassed by the decision that was made by the MK party officials. Akekho. Usazosebenza nje kakhulu. Lento lena nje yalabhalo izodlula nje manje. Izodlula nje nomoya. Kwamanje vele isadingidwa kungazi ukuthi seyiyohlala idingidwa kuze kuphela unyaka. No, iyadlula nje. Next week nje kuzobe kwehlile konke lo msindo khona la ku social media ngendaba kaCommander Floyd. So sengivala nje ngifuna ukusho ukuthi uCommander Floyd une-content. Ngizothi kulabo abafila like u-embarrassed, wehlisiwe, udemotion, abacabangisise kahle. Ayikho leyo nto le. Usazosebenza uCommander Floyd as long nje eseyimember ye-MK party. Kukuyena ukuthi i-decision yakhe moving forward ithini about him. And ekhona sebeshilo vele bathi uyaresign, angazi bezwe bathi uzoresign angeke alaste. Even noma ngaresign noma angeke alaste ku-MK party. But it doesn't and it won't change the fact that kwi-MK party uyishiyile legacy. Uyishiyile legacy. Noma ngahamba kwi-MK party kukhona sishiye nako thina sizokuchaza mangabe ukuthi udecide ukuhamba. Uma ukuthi ngempela ukuhamba kwesikhathi udecide ukuhamba ku-MK. Kukhona esokhuluma ngako akushiyile ku-MK party. Yiloko nje ngingafisa ukusho mfoka Mkhonza lo. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. If you haven't followed TikTok, please do so. Asisebenzeni bafethu siyeni phambili. Ngiyanibonga kakhulu.